Yeah, it's great to be around all these guys again. It's been a couple months since we've all been together, but it's just an honor to be among the winners here. Some great football players, great people, and it's just they don't give this award out every year, so it really is an honor to be a part of the group that gets recognized like that. It's been awesome.
You've been away from it for a couple months now. When you step away from it and you look back at what you guys were able to accomplish, what's the biggest thing that stands out?
I mean, just playing together and playing with a bunch of guys that are, still I consider my best friends, and and just one of the most fun, really the most fun I've ever had playing football. So, and that's a credit to Coach O'Brien and all the coaches there at Penn State. I mean, and really all the players and all the fans who made that, gave us that support all year, which was bar none. In the country, you don't find that anywhere else.
Give us an update on how things are going preparing for the next level.
Things are going great, man. Rehabbing and running a little bit and just getting after it again, man. Just grinding, doing it again. So I'll be good to go.
What's next for you? What's on your agenda here between now and the start of camps in the fall?
You go through. You got to, you have the combine, then you go, with pro day. Then you go back up to Indianapolis for a recheck, which is basically all the doctors look at you again and get a better idea where you're at, which is going to help. I'll be looking a little bit better then. And then, then it's just up to the teams of where they feel comfortable, and then we'll see.
What was the combine experience like?
It was a grind, man. It was, they'd wake us up like 4 in the morning, and we'd go till 12:30 at night. Get up, do it again the next day. So it was a really awesome experience. You don't get to talk to 32 NFL coaches every day. Really, multiply that by, position coaches and defensive coordinators, head coaches. And, it's just a great experience. And you only get to do this process one time, so I'm just enjoying it.
How did Coach O'Brien, the year under Coach O'Brien, the way he ran the ship at Penn State, prepare you for this level?
Tremendously. It really was just about the way that you talk to the kind of coaches that in the NFL, the way the X's and O's and things like that. It's just so many different things, from an organizational standpoint, and this, it just makes that transition so much smoother for me. And I know all these guys would say the same, talking with these guys in the film room and stuff like that. So it's just been awesome.
It's a big achievement for us, just because everything we've been through and then the hard work that we put in, through the off season, and everything we went through to, have a successful season this past year, and now it's just paying off.
Now give us an update on how things are going for you in preparation for the next level. What have you been up to, and how's the combine experience?
The combine experience was good. It was a long 4 days, but it was definitely worth it. I got to meet with people, NFL coaches, GMs, and stuff like that. A bunch of scouts, and then I got to be able to go out there and compete in front of everybody. And just for that experience, it's really a once in a lifetime experience, and something that I'll remember forever.
What was the toughest thing about it?
The toughest thing about it was mentally, just going through all the physicals and going to the hospital and getting a bunch of MRIs and X-rays done, because they're putting a big investment into you, and they want to know everything about your body.
When you look back now at your year under Coach O'Brien and his system, what did his system help you in the way of getting prepared for the next level?
Just the professionalism of everything. That's what he brought down to our program. He told us that's what he was going to do, and he definitely lived up to it.
From here to the draft, what's next for you?
I have the pro day, which is March 11th, and then after that, it's really a waiting game until April.
Best of luck.
Thank you.